video on changing the battery on a swingarm A10. Mine's 56, but any swingarm A7. I've got a socket of Whitworth quarter on a long one, on a short one on the ratchet, and then I've got my floodlight so we can see, because I've got panniers up. So there's the seat nut up there, look. So with a bit of finagling, so I've cleared the pannier, got on the nut, look. And once it's undone, we can spin her off by hand and lift the seat up. That's the nut and the washers off the seat, so it's hooked at the front, so hopefully this should come up and reveal the battery. So we should have 6 volts and we've got 3.12. So I've got a red flag and a bullet and black flag, and that was a plus to sneakily charge it, which I think used to be tucked under there, so I'll put that back so I can get a little sneaky charge rig in. Let's find some crimps and check the new battery. So that's the new one, pre-filled, pre-charged. So that was a 4 amp hour, and that's a 4.5 pre-filled. I think that was $17.99, that battery. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them off, put spades on to suit this, and then plug this back in, and we'll check the lights. So they're the cut off bits, and if I put a spade on, that will fit that battery. So pair of red, yellow, blue crimpers, pair of side cutters. Let's make them into connectors. So I've got that plumbed in. So we should have brake LED, side light LED, backlight LED, main light, that's still a filament bulb, rear light with the brake light working over the top. Oh, a little bit of discharge. Again, they're LEDs, so well, I think that's a win, that is. Let's put it back together. So I should put a zip tie on that. That's in nice and tight. Should probably have a hose on that. But yeah, this is a bit worn in places, a bit chipped, but I mean, she's not bad. Good clean. Lost the sticker there. Seat's a bit worse for wear, lost a bit of the edging, but she's nice and honest and she purrs like a kitten, so I'll leave her like that. Let's get her buttoned up. That's the battery changed, seat back on, side light, main beam, dip beam. That switch is a bit clicky, pilot, rear and brake. See if we can get 20 years out of this battery. Cheers for watching. Hope that helps someone.